Me and Marco Ramundo from Althaus Yachts, one of the most experienced and ancient super yacht brokerage companies in Monaco.
My name is Özgür Numan. I am the yacht director from RMK Marine shipyard. RMK Marine is a big shipyard in Istanbul, Turkey, building super yachts and commercial vessels at the same time, and I'm glad to be in Dubai.
We made a tour, an exploration tour in Turkey last summer, and we visited the most important shipyards in Turkey. And we discovered RMK were surprised for the quality of the construction, the very innovative approach, the attention not only to details in finishing, but mainly to the engineering, which makes the super yachts different and reliable. So we decided to propose a collaboration with us, and we are proud to be now their representative here, actually representative for some project that they have under construction at the moment.
As Marco explained, they have approached us, and we meet in our shipyard, then in Monaco Yacht Show, and we were excited about their focusing in the Gulf region, not only Gulf region, but also in Mediterranean, of course. But as a custom yacht building shipyard from Turkey, so close to the region and close to the culture of the region, this cooperation which started with two of our yachts, is going to be growing more and more. So we are going to expect good news from Althaus. We have two projects on cooperation as central agency given to Althaus. The first of all is the 37 meter 120 foot RMK 120. RMK Marine is a custom yacht building shipyard, but many very famous indeed with its explorer yachts. And this yacht is simply the modern version, modern interpretation of all RMK repack explorers. With the second one, with Althaus, we are going to attract more clientele because of their vast coverage in the area, in all the world, in Europe and the Gulf area. And this boat represents a long-range explorer yacht capable of doing more than 5,000 nautical miles with all the grace and quality. The second yacht, the RES 50 meter, is basically again an explorer, but more gentleman kind of explorer, not rugged as RMK 120. The main feature was the ability of carrying large tenders at the aft deck. So you have a standard 6-cabin layout, conventional 500 gross ton yacht, but with very elegant and modern exterior, with versatile aft deck, which can be converted to a beach club, very luxury beach club, and also at the same time can accommodate very large tenders. The RES is under construction and will be delivered in 2025 summer season. The 120 has not been keel laid yet, but we can deliver the second boat in 20 months. So basically 2025 summer we'll see two boats coming out.